Wow, this is incredible. Hi Playmates! Today we're gonna open this science box toy. And also, don't forget to ask adult supervision. And also, we have to open it. Now, let's check what's inside, guys. So, let's keep opening. Let's get out of the wrapper. This is hard to open. Put it down here. Now let's just keep wrapping. This is a bit hard. Now let's open. This is how you open it. Whoa, wow. This is incredible. We got some gloves. These are for protecting your hands. And these are some things to put in your stuff. And this is some bubbles. Bubble soup. And these are some capsules. Hello. Some goggles. And we also have some bubble makers. Let's set that right there. And also some bread making. We got some more of this. Let's put it right here. And here's the instructions. Let's put them right here. Set it down. Oh, what are these? Let's just check them. Let's just check the instructions. Oh, okay. And also, we have to ask for adult supervision. For that, we got this measuring cup. This thing is inside a box. And what's this? But let's put it here. What's these two? Let's just wait for it. Now let's just get it out. And then set it right down here. And then let's get all of it. By the way, I'm gonna show you one of these videos on the next channel. So see ya!